Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Hisense TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and reset your Hisense TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to Quick Settings. Then in the upper right hand corner, click on All Settings. Then go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says System and click on System. Then from this option here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Restart. So this last option is where you could actually go ahead and restart your Hisense TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and restart your Hisense TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.